Honorable Chair of the 9th OIC Ministerial Conference on Women, Senator Azam Nazir Tarar, Excellencies, distinguished ministers and delegates. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. At the outset, I wish to extend my sincere appreciation to the government of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan for hosting this 9th session of the OIC Ministerial Conference on Women and for the warm hospitality and excellent arrangements extended to my delegation. I also wish to express our sincere appreciation to Her Excellency Councillor Amal Tamar, President of the National Council for Women of the Arab Republic of Egypt, for her able leadership as chair of the 8th session of the Ministerial Conference. At the same time, I congratulate Senator Azam Nazir Tarar, Federal Minister for Human Rights of Pakistan, on assuming the chair of this 9th session and assure him of the Maldives' full support. The Maldives welcomes the conference theme, which reflects our shared commitment to advancing women's empowerment across the Islamic world. Excellencies, as a small island developing state, the Maldives has undertaken sustained efforts to strengthen women's participation in leadership and decision-making. At the national level, our efforts are guided by the Gender Equality Action Plan, which translates our Gender Equality Act and National Gender Policy into concrete actions. Women currently comprise 37% of the elected local councillors, and His Excellency President Dr. Mohamed Moises has pledged to introducing parliamentary quotas for women and youth to further enhance inclusive representation. Our decentralization framework is anchored in the island women's development committees elected alongside local councils. Under the President Dr. Mohamed Moises administration, institutional support for WDCs has been significantly strengthened through increased funding and formalized salary structures. Fulfilling another presidential pledge, the government is also establishing a women's caucus of WDC presidents to platform the voices of women in national policy making. Strengthening support for women entrepreneurs and women-led startups is also a key priority of President Dr. Moise, demonstrated the establishment of a dedicated financing scheme of 100 million Maldivian rupiah for women, with 25% reserved for women with disabilities. These efforts are complemented by nationwide outreach and women empowerment programs targeting women in micro, small, home-based enterprises to expand opportunities for women's economic participation. The government has also undertaken broader measures to mainstream gender, including the introduction of Gender Equality Seal to encourage gender-responsive workplace practices and the ongoing gender-responsive budgeting initiatives in government ministries. As the Maldives advances into digital transformation agenda, we recognize both the challenges and opportunities of the digital age. Addressing gender-based violence and domestic violence continue to be a national priority through the 3rd Domestic Violence Prevention National Strategy. This is strengthened by preventive and awareness-building initiatives such as youth peer education programs, which has reached 800 young people over the past year. At the same time, we recognize the gender equality priorities evolve across the life course. We are strengthening policies and services that respond to the needs of older women and promote their continued participation in and well-being. Excellencies, while progress has been made, challenges remain. Advancing gender equality requires sustained commitment and stronger partnerships. The Maldives reaffirms its dedication to working alongside OIC member states and OIC Women Development Organization to advance the political, economic, and digital empowerment of women. We remain committed to the implementation of the OIC Plan of Action for the advancement of women as an important framework for collective action, cooperation, and shared progress towards gender equality across the Islamic world. Thank you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.